Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your engine air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll likely need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new air filter. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before starting any work. The air filter housing is usually a prominent black box under the hood, often near the front of the engine compartment. Identifying it correctly is your first crucial step. Now that you've located the housing, it's time to open it up. Most air filter housings are secured with either metal clips or a few screws. Use your screwdriver if needed to loosen any screws, then gently unclip the fasteners. Once all are released, carefully lift the top cover. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter sitting inside. Take a moment to observe how it's positioned. With the housing open, you can now easily remove the old air filter. Simply lift it straight out. Take a look at its condition. A dirty filter is a clear sign it needed replacing. Before installing the new one, it's a good practice to quickly inspect the inside of the air filter housing. Check for any leaves, dust, or other debris. A quick wipe with a clean, damp cloth can help ensure a clean seal for your new filter. Now for the final steps. Take your new, clean air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and evenly within the compartment, just like the old one was positioned. Once the new filter is properly seated, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place. Reattach all the clips or screws, ensuring they are tight and secure. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.